Toxic people are individuals who consistently bring negativity, stress, or harm to others through their behavior, attitude, or actions. They often exhibit traits like manipulation, control, criticism, or selfishness, making interactions with them emotionally draining. Toxic people may undermine others' confidence, create conflict, or push their own agendas at the expense of those around them. They can be difficult to deal with because their behavior often shifts blame onto others, avoiding personal responsibility. Identifying toxic people in your life is crucial for protecting your mental and emotional well-being. Setting boundaries, limiting contact, or distancing yourself entirely can help mitigate the harmful effects they bring. It's important to remember that prioritizing your own well-being and surrounding yourself with supportive, positive people can make a significant difference in your overall happiness.